How to change your gender on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your gender on Skype mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here, and now click settings and then click account and the profile, and now click this one, your profile, and then click here and change your gender to anything you want, male or female, and then let's choose this one and then just click save changes. And as you see, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.